In a fast-paced world, where values often take a backseat, how do we rediscover the essence of morality? Introducing our course, Morals and Morality, a transformative journey into the heart of ethical living. Dive deep into timeless principles of good and evil, kindness and compassion, honesty and humility. Learn the sacred practice of worship, the sanctity of human life, and the beauty of veracity. Discover how small actions, rooted in moral clarity, can bring profound changes to your life and the world around you. Explore how the Qur'an serves as a beacon of guidance, providing a roadmap to navigate life's challenges with wisdom and integrity. This course is not just about learning, it's about transformation. From cultivating patience and humility, to treating others with kindness and respect, this course will help you unlock the keys to a life of true purpose. Enroll now to embark on a journey that inspires personal growth, strengthens your character, and impacts those around you. Embrace timeless values that make us better individuals and a better society. Enroll for Morals and Morality.